So we're on the outskirts of Perth and we're coming to an area known as Gravity Hill or Magnetic Hill. It's a small section of road where it appears that you're going up a hill, but the car rolls up the hill. So we'll just stop here for a moment. Stop right here from what appears to be an uphill climb, and the car rolls forwards. Car's in neutral at the moment, should not be moving, or if anything it should be going backwards. But it's all to do with the surroundings around this road. It just makes the road appear that it's going uphill when in fact it's going downhill. Here we are, still rolling up the hill. Okay, we'll put the car back into drive and off we go. Now the moral of the story there is that never assume from your surroundings that you're actually on a flat road or whether the road goes up or downhill. You must secure the car firmly with the handbrake on, and if it's an automatic car, put it in park. If it's a manual car, put it in first gear or reverse gear.